Bonjour. Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. For the channel's fourth selection for Tropical Drinks Month, I have for you today a selection I call a perfectly papaya punch. My recipe is based off of a recipe I got online on a website called Muy Bueno. The creator is Yvette Marquez, and the recipe's name is called Caribbean Red Papaya Punch. Well, this is a short video. I truly hope you enjoy it. I'll leave a link to Yvette's website. I'll let you get to it, and I will talk to you later. Appreciate. I truly enjoyed the making of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a try. Place something down in the comments and let me know what you thought of it. And let me know how yours turned out. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this short recipe, Be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And make sure you've hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new uploads. Don't forget to check out Yvette Marquez's website. And be sure to be a blessing to someone. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Be sure to come back to see what the last tropical drink will be for the month. I'll see you next time.